I'm here sweating bullets. This ain't cool. What? Why I do this to myself? Like why? Why? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the stain, but anyway, it's your girl ShaShamiah, and I'm back with a quick video just showing you guys how I put my hair up in a ponytail. I'm gonna use an instant ponytail. It's a ponytail I had before. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It's really quick and easy to do. I'm using a brush, of course, a comb. I have my big 2 comb, my favorite gel, organic gel, and I'm actually using some Sonic strips just to tame the back of my hair while I dry for a few minutes. But let me do this real quick so you guys can see. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Style my ponytails wet because I feel like it gives me more like a smooth look. If you guys can see, you see that straight look? It's so easy for me to do it wet, especially with this particular gel. It's super easy, and I don't really like so much heat on my hair all the time. And I mean this organic gel holds. It's bomb.com. I think I'm gonna do some baby hairs. I cut like my sideburns lower because my sideburns are out of freaking control. Some things be growing. So yeah. Like a curly ponytail or a wavy ponytail. I like to keep my hair wavy instead of using heat to make it look straight and the ends is like curly. Nah, we ain't going through all of that at all. And I forgot to tell you guys I needed a pony holder. And I do not like my hair tight. One pain I had to run from, literally, is my pain in my head, because I cannot take it. I don't know how you girls can walk around with some tight hairstyles. I can't do it. Some people be like, oh, Shay, you could do it tighter. Tighter? Like what? Who does that? Who does that? If y'all see me looking up, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. I have a big mirror that you guys are mounted on. So yeah. Stay away. So my hair has a nice curly pattern to it. That's why I'm in love with this hair. Like, I love this hair. And it's so quick and easy. I think I got that ponytail for like probably like $25 or something. Or maybe like $20. But yeah, I just took out my my cap. I don't know if you guys saw the vlog before this one, but I had in a nice maroon cap. It was a 5x5 closure, and Jamal just glued the back. Cap me any day. I ain't in that sewing inch crap. When I'm ready to take that bad boy out, I want to get it out. Baby girl, stay over there. Stay over there. Get out my way, baby girl. Baby girl. Every time I put on a lace front, I always cut down my widow's peak. Widow's peak gets in the cut off my widow's peak, and my lace could just lay like further away from like my eyebrows. I hate when a lace is like all the way close to your eyebrows. That's weird. Should be looking crazy. I don't care how nice it's laid. I just hate to see it when it's so like far back. I like to kind of keep this simple and adultish. Not a bunch of baby hairs and shit. So I'm gonna use this Sonic strip because I want to keep the back of my hair slicked, because my hair is so curly. It will be curled up by the time I'm finished. So I'm going to go underneath the dryer for a few minutes while I have on the Sonic strip, while the organic gel dries. This organic gel actually dries like pretty quick. Okay. So yeah, and I made sure I already put my organic oil in, my ShaShamiah organic oil in, just a few drops, rub it in my hands, put it in my hair while it's wet. So I have to dry it because I put oil, because oil don't go good with this organic gel. So I have to dry my hair. Usually I don't, because it hardens up very good usually. But today, your girl have to put on some heat. I was feeling like a high ponytail. I don't know why, but that's what's going down today. That's what's going down today. Take 2 rubber bands and put it up here. I did it full like this so it could stand up and just fall down. Tomorrow is Monday and I have a lot of running up and down to do. It be feeling like Mondays be feeling like a freaking work day for me. So much errands. back and forth, back and forth. I have to start one area, canvas that area, do everything that I have to do before the work week starts, because once I'm in the store, I don't like to leave. Sometimes I don't even like to leave for lunch. But it is what it is. Entrepreneur lifestyle. You have to take care of everything you have to take care of before the week starts. So an off day is always a work day for me. Never fails. So this is how I'm gonna put the sonic strip, my head. And put the next one. I think the back of my hair needs to edge up just a bit. My hair grows out of control. But anyways, this is the pony before the extendo. This is the extendo. Anyway, I'm gonna dry, so I will be right back. So guys, I'm out of the dryer, and I actually took off some of the sonic strips as I went along with the timing. So I just left this last one so you guys can see the finished look. The sonic strips really do work. I recommend using them if you have nice curly hair. So here goes. So yes, guys. I'm not gonna spray any oil until I'm finished. Well, actually I'm gonna spray some glosser. I might, I'm not sure. Because I don't want it to look too shiny. And I already put some oil in my hair, so that's enough. So let me show you guys how quick and easy this is. This is the comb. I'm gonna stick it in because I don't want to use too much pins. I don't think I need too much pins. This is very easy to do. See the Velcro? This is the piece of hair that I'm gonna wrap around the pony. So just wrap it around. This ponytail is actually very long as well. I keep forgetting how long this thing is. Oh my gosh. But it's so easy. See how easy that is? Smooth this part with a comb. And this is very synthetic, guys, so gotta be very delicate with it. See? You have to cover the Velcro. So we don't want nobody to know. It's an instant. Only you guys need to know my secrets out here. Y'all can know the little secrets. Some secrets, not all. See that? That has to cover up. See? You have to make sure everything is in properly. I'm gonna stick a pin to secure it. See the pin? There's a little bit of gel to smooth that last part out to finish the look. Make sure it ends in the back of the head. And I'm going to use one more pin. And yes, guys, at night, I do take this thing out. It's an instant, why not? So, I got my pony. Actually gonna leave this hair down. You see how nice and curly it matches my hair. It's a quick, easy look for someone that has natural hair. And I think they even have the ones that's straight as well. But I'm kind of, I like this. This is an easy, quick, I mean, giving myself a break and wear it on the side. Giving a look. I'll wear it in the middle. It's pretty easy. I must say, pretty easy. And it's lightweight. I do recommend for a quick, easy look, especially for natural hair. So I'm ready. I'm ready for my work week. I don't know why I'm sweating like that. It's because I don't have an AC. And now I realize I'm doing a whole video without turning on the AC. So I'm here sweating bullets. This ain't cool. What? Why I do this to myself? Like why? Why? Trying something different is always good. So guys, that wraps up the video. I cut the ponytail into like a bob effect because it was giving long and I was not feeling the long, but I'm feeling this right now. So this includes everything I had to show you guys. How I put my hair in one using my organic gel, my favorite product. So it's like my little curly curls together. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Love you. Mwah. Bye.